Alright, y'all. So I got a bunch of signal lights out on this truck all around. I know it's 3 of them on, it looks like it's 3 of them on that side, but I thought I had one out on this side too. Looks like it's lighting up. I think it's something wrong with the other part of the bulb. You know, it's got 2 filaments in it. I've already got hyper flash on this, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap it to LED, and I'm probably still gonna have hyper flash, and that's fine. But we're gonna show y'all what it looks like and show y'all the process. I'm gonna take these 4 screws out of your parking lights. That'll give you access to your parking light bulbs and your corner marker over there. And you can change your bulbs out that way. I saw some videos that said that you had to take your grill out to change your headlights and your turn signals. I haven't found that to be true. Maybe to change those corner marker lenses, these right here, but that'd be the only reason I could see for taking the grill out on these. And these screws are super long. You can tell these was meant to be work trucks because they put you some screws in here that hold a couple of 2x4s together. Little tab on the back, press it out. There you go. That's those right there. If you got a good paint job like mine, you don't want to set your turn signal on your paint, but you know. I'm gonna touch these bulbs, and they probably ain't gonna last as long because I'm touching them, but that'll be fine.
Those are bright.
They are very bright. These are hot.
Well, then why touch them?
Because they're hot. They gotta come out. Another thing, these LEDs are supposed to be cooler too. So,
I covered the camera for a second because I had an ant on my toe.
that's fine. These take some wiggling to get into position.
You're gonna have to re-say that.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear you.
These take some wiggling to get into position because they, I don't know, it's a tight fit on them. But, oh, it's in there. They kind of take some wiggling. So be aware of that. I think that's backwards.
Those were easier than the last one you put in.
Yeah, I had some trouble with the last one. I'm kind of having a little trouble with this one, actually.
It's at least lighting up.
It is lighting up.
The other one wouldn't.
Yeah. Oh. They're not easy to snap into place. That one's in. We're going to leave it like that. Slide this back around behind here. Find the hole right there. Put it in there, give it a 1/8 of a turn. Slide these in here.
They ain't too hot, are they?
Nope.
Good.
Click them in. And right back in with these screws. You got to get the screws lined up correctly.
You do have to do that, don't you?
Yeah.
Otherwise it ain't gonna work.
Sure ain't.
Nada. sometimes I forget I'm recording and then I just have a bad angle.
Yeah, you about them angles, ain't you?
I am.
You don't want to get these screws too tight or you'll crack your lens. So be careful of that.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Nobody want to crack the lens, then you got to buy new lenses. You might as well upgrade them if you buy new lenses. Get you some of that new stuff that's shiny and pretty and chrome.
Wouldn't that look a bit wrong on this car?
No, it looked great on this car.
Why?
Just adds a little bit of flair to the old style of it. A little bit of new with a little bit of old. And this is the end product after you get your LED bulbs installed. They do have the hyper flash, but like I said, they were hyper flashing in the first place, so it's not that big of a deal.